Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need a powerful but easy tool to manage projects? In this video, I will show you how to use a SmartSheet for simple, effective project management, perfect for teams or solo use. First of all, search for SmartSheet, then log into your account or sign up if you are a new user. Just click Try SmartSheet for free. Enter your working email. I will use my personal email. From here, then click continue. Enter your first and last name, mobile number, and job title like office work. Then select company size. Then click start. Try Smartsheet for free. Once you are in, check your email inbox, and confirm the mail. Now, click on create button or plus button from your dashboard from the left sidebar. Now enter your password like that. Click on it and click next and follow the process. Now click home, then start a new project. You will get a grid similar to Excel, but with smart features. Start by naming your tasks, start dates and end dates, and assigns. Just click start from scratch, then select grid, then next. Skip this step, then click next, build project. Turn on dependencies to automatically calculate task durations, and start end dates like that. Start date, end date. You can drag and drop tasks directly in the Gantt chart to adjust deadlines. Assign team members using the assigned to column. Click on it and click the arrow icon and click add new. Enter your team member name and email, then click OK. That's it. You can also add status, health, etc. or custom checkboxes to track task progress. Collaborators get email updates and can comment directly on rows. Once you are done, click share to invite teammates with viewer or editor access. Click sheet, then click editor section. You can set admin, commenter, viewer from here. Then copy the link and share it. You can embed people or group from here. Just enter your team member's name or email address. You can also create automations like reminders, approval requests, status updates. This keeps your team aligned without manual follow-ups. And that's how to use SmartSheet for project management. You have now got a live project board, timeline, team tracking, and automations all in one tool. Like this video, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment if you want a full team dashboard setup walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.